Hello, this is Janet Nation on real estate. Welcome to my channel, whether you're listening to me via Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. And if you are listening to me via YouTube and you like the information that you hear today, please like, subscribe, share, hit that notification button, and please come back. So today I thought I would talk about something a little different: how to protect your assets, your real estate asset, your home that you just recently purchased. Actually, this message that I'm going to relay today can apply to any homeowner. And I thought what I would do, I am going to do a mini series on how to protect that home of yours, because for many of us, it's our largest asset. And so we want to make sure that, that's protected. If we lose it, it could be devastating. So what I wanted to talk to you today is about life insurance. If you own a home, and you recently owned a home especially, you do want to make sure that you have life insurance. So why do we need life insurance? We need life insurance in the event of our untimely death, whether it be you personally or your spouse, or if you are a single parent and have children. You want to have life insurance to protect those that are left behind. So, for example, if you are a husband and wife, are depending on two incomes to manage that whole household, and suddenly there is a loss of one of that income, that could be devastating to the person who is left behind, especially if there's children involved. So you want to make sure that you have life insurance. So I know many of you are going to tell me that you have life insurance with your job. Well, guess what? That's not your policy. And that policy can disappear at any time. Your employer can remove that benefit at any time, right? Or you might change jobs, or you might lose your job. And while I do know that a lot of these policies are transferable, they're transferable at a completely different rate. So higher, that is. After a while, they're going to go higher because they're not really a term life insurance, which I'm going to talk about in a second. So you want to make sure that you have your own policy that you control. And the type of policy that you want to get is a term life policy. So a term life policy is pure insurance, not insurance like whole life where they have this cash value, where you can actually, it's sold to you that you could use the money to go on vacation, pay for your kids' education, do all these little things. You'd have to have that policy for a very long time, and you'd have to have a very large policy, because you're better off actually with this cash value insurance. You're better off saving, investing on your own, not allowing the insurance company or even banks to save for you, because the rate of return on interest is very, very small. So you want to get a term life insurance, depending on your age, depending on your health. You can get a term life insurance for 30 years, which is typically the length of a mortgage, right? And you want to have that coverage to, again, protect yourself in the event that someone loses their life unexpectedly and the other one remaining can survive. So you want to make sure you have enough term life insurance to cover at least the mortgage. Now, if you're in a position to get more, to pay for other expenses immediately or down the future, then go for it. Because the younger you are, the cheaper that insurance will be, and you can get a policy up to 30 years, and that will cover a lot of your immediate needs. So that's what I wanted to, one of the things I want to share about how you can protect your asset. I'm going to be talking about other things, but if I don't want to do it all in one video because it will be too long, and even I don't want to listen to it. Right, so this is Janet Nation from Keller Williams on real estate. Please come back, like, share this information. This is information you really need to share. If you have any questions, if you need recommendations where to go, I can certainly do that for you. See you next time.